Good evening. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for October 8th, 2024. We'll start with some sniper trades of the day. And we'll start with we're going to start with Palantir, one of our focus stocks. And this one is on 10-minute. All right. So here we have yesterday's close. Here we have the open. Here's the opening range 10. This is on Palantir. So we're ready to go long here or short there on the breakout. It has a 30-cent standard risk box. We get long with a 30-cent risk box. It's staying above the PSAR and above the VWAP, liking it. It's up 6% during the day, and we end up bringing home 5R, following the rules. Trying not to think too hard on that one. This is EWW, one of our COTA 2 specials. This one is also on 10-minute. Here was the close. Here was the open. There's your OR10. In the second bar, it breaks down through, so we're short. There's going to be your standard risk box. So we're going to be short. Take the skin of the dragon exit for 1.5R. COTA 2 for about a scratch. So about 1.5R. This is DIA, 3-minute. Here's yesterday's close. Big gap up, OR3. It breaks down. So we're looking for this move. Moves out sharply. It comes back and hits the VWAP, so I exit for about half an hour. This is an SSC. I give back half an hour. COTA 2. About half an hour. Lunchtime droning. We get a COTA 2 once more. And that brings about an R with the PSAR exit. So about 1.5. Shift to the daily report. There's our sniper trade of the day. The 150-day look back, it's hovering within 1% of the all-time high and stabilizing. Closed very strongly today. As you can see, we're within $2, so it's a 0.5% away from the all-time high and rising lows. Tomorrow will be a 1, 2, 3 entry. The 30-minute, you can see we're nice strong consolidation around 570 is fair game. So any breakout north of that only needs about a $5 risk. Bullish normal, strongly overbought in every dimension. Risk is a bit of a warning, saying sharp moves are possible here as we test this triple top. You have some very positive signs in the globals with channeling and overreaction signals firing on Euro Asia, Asia less Japan, and the European 350. NVIDIA has joined the Min Paints, Home Depot and JP Morgan rounded out. In the Dow tactical summary first, oops, sorry. There we go. Couple strong moves in Home Depot and IBM and Nvidia, which had a 10-day NDX 115. That's pretty good. Home Depot, big day today, 4%. Still a good number of symbols on the auto framer that testing out well that have to play catch up. In the ETFs, a great big bundle of things that are better than 3-to-1 on the auto framer. So we like that. Buyer's market. Plenty on the auto framer. Treasuries, real estate, Microsoft, Coke, Intel, lots to choose from. Be judicious. Squeezes still in XLK. And there's your TC 2000 sniper auto framer. Lots to choose from. Mostly in the fall. That's typical of a COTA 2 kind of a move. Technology and emerging markets and finance all looking really good, postured for some big gains. I think energy may be overdone right now. It's and with a 2.02 in the MACD score in the summer. So caution on that one. Don't chase. Very clear winners today: Palantir, Oracle, Nvidia, PayPal. All your and Intel has a lot more room to catch up to. So it was all tech today. The Qs and XLK, along with the SPY, that's where the strength is. You should be pounding Nvidia and Palantir. Tesla, Nvidia, Intel, 3 of the 4 tech companies in the top 5. It's looking pretty good. And very favorable Z scores of the 3 RL slopes. Everything's getting ready to slope up, and none of them are at an extreme condition. That's very, very positive. So we'll be ready for these guys tomorrow. All right, that's everything for today. We'll get this published and posted, and we'll be ready for them tomorrow.